Logging into your Facebook account is simple. Simply follow these steps to sign in using the Facebook mobile app. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you have installed it using your Google Play Store in Android and App Store in iPhone. Now here you can see two boxes available for your email address or phone number and password. Now enter your credentials accordingly and tap login option available there. If you forgot your password, then you can also tap on the forgot password option available at the bottom and simply follow the steps to reset it. Now all you have to do is wait for a while, then your Facebook account will be logged in. If asked, verify your identity or enter a one-time code if 2FA is enabled in your Facebook. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.